Hello everyone and welcome to I am MS Excel Expert tutorial series. Today is day 23 and we will be working on INT and ABS functions. So let's start. INT function is basically an integer function which tries to actually, when we use this particular function, we try to actually bring down the number to the nearest integer. So obviously we'll have an exercise on this particular function. The second one is absolute function. In this one we try to actually out of a negative number we try to have a positive number after it. So let's have a quick exercise over here. So here we have the first exercise for INT function, so which is integer function. What we are trying to do over here is actually we are bringing these number to the nearest if we bring them down to the nearest integer, right? So let's use INT and this number, say enter. This is 10, which is the nearest integer to this particular number. So let me drag this down and try to understand what is happening here. So if we bring this 10.02312 number to the nearest integer, that would be 10. So that's why we have the answer 10 in cell C4. Same goes for the second number, that is 0.12312. Here the nearest integer, if we bring this number down, is actually 0. So this is the default property of INT, that will bring down the number actually to the nearest integer. And here we have 1.023, which will bring 1. And so this is interesting. So this is a negative number in cell B8, negative 2.000901. So if we have to bring this particular number to the nearest integer when we go down, so that would be -3. Same go for the next one where we have -0. So then if we bring this number down to the nearest integer, then that would be -1. Right? I hope the rest are clear. So this is the way we use integer basically, and it's more for the the cosmetic change which you want to see on your report or whatever. So you can use this function. So the second exercise is actually about the ABS, that is the absolute number. So as I mentioned, we use this function to actually bring or ignore the negative sign or any sign which is there in front of any number. So basically we use this function to remove the negative sign. So if I use the ABS function to a positive number, the same value will come up. But let me drag this formula. But here we have -2. So if I change this to absolute number, we will receive +2. Same go for -0.23. That's a negative number, but when I use the absolute number, I receive 0.23, right? So, and this is like the ninth one in cell F12. We have negative at this big number. So this is not converting or just changing anything. It's just removing the negative part of it. So I hope this is clear, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep spreading love. Thank you so much for whatever you're doing for me. Thank you.